So here's a quick little demo of using the new chemical species and color map system in Mechanica. And one of the things that I just got working is we can now, user code can now listen for keypress events. So the model code here to make this torus is about 7 or 8 lines of Python where I make a particle derived type, and here I attach an SBML chemical species to that object, and then I set its style to use a color map, create a little constructor, and then I call the Mechanica points function to generate a ring of 100 positions, and I call the constructor on each one of those positions. Then I make a little Python function here to listen for key press, and then I hook that up to the on key press event that the simulator broadcasts whenever we press a key. And then we simply just loop over the list of color map names and set the color map. So we can cycle through them. And we have about 30, 40 some odd different color maps that we can choose from. And that's just simply cycle through them. And again, this is all running in real time. And there's a neat little cyclic color map, and the cyclic ones work nicely for when we have sinusoidal type values. So cycle through all these guys, and it's literally this easy to display color maps, where the model code is this simple. Thanks.